Welcome back to my channel. I am Elsie, and in this video we are going to learn how to reverse a string in Java, which is most frequently asked question in coding interviews. I'm going to teach two methods here, so let's get started. And here I'm using an online Java compiler. So inside this main method, I'm going to declare string x and assigning it to Java programming. Okay. So here we need to write a code which prints the reverse of string x, that is from right to left. Okay, right to left, that is from G to J, which would be GNIMMARGORPAVAJ. Okay, remember strings are immutable in Java. So once it's created, it cannot be changed or modified. So let's get into solving this using for loop concept. First, I'll declare an empty string. Okay, I'll name it reverse. Now we'll write a for loop. Okay, as we are reversing the string, it needs to start from G. Okay, let's write a for loop. As we are reversing the string, it needs to start from G. Okay, from Java programming string. So I'll write for int I is equal to x dot length of -1. Okay, why have I written -1? You would get this question. So x dot length. What is the length of string x? It's 16. And you all know that indexing starts from 0. So I have written x dot length of -1. And then I is greater than or equal to 0. Here I'm specifying that this loop has to run till 0th index. J is in the 0th index. Okay, and then I minus minus. Okay, I minus minus, which is a post decrement operator. Once G is printed, I value have to be decremented by 1 and has to print n value. And this gets printed until I becomes less than 0. Okay, now I'll write x dot character at of I. Okay, character at of I is the index value we are passing. So character at returns the character from the string for the index which we are specifying. Now we need to store this in an empty string that we have already declared, which is reverse. Okay, so reverse is equal to reverse plus the loop runs for the first time. I value would be 16 minus 1. 16 is length of string x, including the space between Java and programming. Okay, 16 minus 1 will be 15. X dot character at of 15 is G character from the string. And this gets appended to empty string reverse, which was declared. Okay, and then I gets decremented and becomes 14. Okay, then x dot character at of 14 is n character, and this n character gets appended to the existing reverse string. Okay, and this continues until I value becomes less than 0. Once I value becomes less than 0, it comes out of the loop. After coming out of the loop, we need that reverse string to be printed, for which I'll write system dot out dot print of reverse. Okay, now I'll run this code. Java programming string x has been reversed and printed successfully as expected. Okay, now let's look at second method of solving this using string builder. Okay, remember, strings are immutable, but however, string builder is mutable. String builder allows to change or modify the character sequence. And strings do not have reverse function in place, but however, string builder supports reverse function in Java. Okay, we have initialized string x and assigned Java programming. Now let's create string builder object. string builder s is equal to new string builder. Okay. Now we will append string x to string s, which is the string builder, for which I'll write this code s dot append of x. Okay. And now we will use reverse function. As I said, string builder supports reverse function in Java. S dot reverse of. Okay. Now we will print s value which has x value reversed, for which I'll write system dot out dot print of yes. Okay. Now I'll run this code, which printed the reverse of Java programming string. So it's also working as expected. So these are the two methods that you can follow to reverse a string in Java.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.